Hi everyone, this is Laura Kieser with Dairyland Laboratories, and we thought we would do a short tutorial to show you how to set up sampling reminders when using our Sample Management Center. This video will assume that you have used the Sample Management Center before. If you need more guidance in regards to the Sample Management Center, we have some earlier tutorials set aside for that. So if you would like to set up sampling reminders for your farms, if you're a nutritionist, or your employees, you can log into your Sample Management Center, click on Feed, and go down to Lot Management. In order to set up a sampling reminder, you have to have created a lot. This assumes that you already have a lot to work within. I'm going to use this example silo over here, and because that was already created, I'm going to go to the little resample flask to make an edit. So as you can see here, it carries over the account and the sampled for and the lot that I'm working within. To set up a sampling reminder, you come to this box that says Sampling Reminders. It will give you a brief description of what that means. You'll see this button here to edit the details. That will bring up the details that you can change for the sampling reminder, much like if you were looking at an Outlook calendar. You can decide if you want this sample to be recurring daily, weekly, monthly, etc. In various frequencies. You can set the start date and time that you want these reminders to happen. You can set an end date or after a number of occurrences. So I'm going to go through and set it up to say that I want this to happen 3 times weekly, and I want it to happen every Friday. And I want it to send at 8 a.m. I'm going to save this, and then here you will see there's a little red star denoting that we need to know how you want this the person to be reminded. You have choices here. If you click on the box, you can remind them via email, via SMS, which is like a text message, or both. In this case, I'm going to choose email. I'm going to scroll down through the email addresses I have on file and select the person that I want that to go to.
Another nice feature is here. If you are a nutritionist and you want us to send a pre-printed sampling kit out to the farms that you work with, you can go to this box here, and you can choose if you send a physical package. We build a kit and send a physical package of sampling bags, all with the labels put together. You can choose by UPS or USPS, and then all you have to do is give us the lab that you want it to be sent to and the addresses, and we can get that sent for you. There will be further information provided on sampling kits. Now we're going to return to our sample reminder setup.
I have a description in here for my sample, and I'm going to hit submit. Following that, you will see now that e-numbers have been generated for these samples. Now you can do a couple of things with these. There will be an email that is sent to this person telling them the next time a sample is due to be taken.
Once you set up your sampling reminders to be sent by email, this is an example of the email that will be received. Included will be all the relevant sample information, including the e-number, the lot name, the sampled by and for, description, etc. In addition, you'll see an attachment, and when this attachment is opened, it will be a PDF file that can be printed out, and then that label can be attached to the sample bag, and then it includes all of the relevant sample information.
We go back to the Sample Management Center. You can close out of this if you would like to. You can also pre-print labels. If you close out of this, it just goes to your list again. If you have set up sampling schedules and you want to see what they look like, or you want to edit a sampling schedule, you can go in here and find the one that we created, and you can see the details of that. The little 3 dots here on the right hand side would be where you click to edit that sampling schedule. So in here, if you decided instead of on Fridays, you wanted those sampled on Mondays. Hopefully, this gives you a better idea of sampling schedules and helps with the continuity of sampling on farms, maybe when your nutritionist can't be there to sample, or to just standardize the process on your farm.